I hope you all are fine. In previous class we were doing our exercise 7.1. We have done few questions. Let's continue our this exercise. What we have studied in this exercise about distance formula. Now using distance formula we will identify that any quadrilateral, how any quadrilateral is a rhombus, rectangle, square or a parallelogram. For this some important points are there. These are basic properties of a quadrilateral. We all are very aware about properties of quadrilateral. Let's revise these properties again. What are the properties? How we can prove that given quadrilateral is a rhombus? If all sides, all means all four sides, because a quadrilateral is having four sides, all four sides are equal. For square, if all the four sides and diagonals are equal, means in a square अगर four sides equal हैं और अगर दोनों diagonal equal हैं, then it will be a square. For a parallelogram, we need to prove that opposite sides are equal. And for a rectangle, it is sufficient to prove that opposite sides are equal and diagonals are equal. So, using these properties, we will solve our question number 5 and 6. First of all, see question number 6. What is given in question number 6? Name the type of quadrilateral. हमें यहाँ quadrilateral की type name बताना है जो इन coordinates से form होता है. There are 4 coordinates. In first part, minus a minus b, let it is coordinate a. 1 0, let it is point b. Minus 1 minus 2, let it is point c. After it, minus 3 0, let it is point d. Then we will find sides of quadrilateral AB, BC, CD and DA. For AB, let it is x1, it is y1, x2, y2. Then how we will find this distance AB? AB will equal to x2 minus x1 means 1 minus minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus minus 2 whole square, then 1 plus 1 whole square plus 0 plus 2 whole square. 1 plus 1 2, 2 square plus 2 square, 4 plus 4 square root 8 units. After this we will find BC. For BC, let it is x1, y1, it is x2, y2. Then for BC, how we will calculate? Minus 1 and whole square plus 2 minus 0, 2 minus 0 whole square. Then minus 2 whole square plus 2 square means 4 plus 4 and it is equal to root 8 units. After this we will find CD. For CD, let it is x1, y1 and it is x2, y2. Then CD will equal to x2 minus x1 means minus 3 minus minus 1. Minus 3 minus minus 1 and its whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square. Minus 3 plus 1 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. Minus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 2 whole square. And square of minus 2 is 4. 4 plus 4 and it is equal to root 8 units. After this we will find DA. For DA, let it is x1 y1, it is x2 y2 means minus 3 minus 1 minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 2 minus 2 and its whole square. Then minus 3 plus 1 whole square plus 0 plus 2 whole square and its square root. Minus 2 whole square plus 2 whole square, it will equal to square root of 4 plus 4 means root 8 units. From here what can be seen that AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. All sides are equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD, or you can write DA. All sides are equal. If all sides are equal, then there are two possibilities that it may be a rhombus or it may be a square. For it we will find its diagonal. How we will find? We will take opposite vertices. Suppose we have taken A, B, C, D like this, then we will take opposite vertices means AC and BD. So for diagonal, calculate AC and BD. For AC, let it is x1 y1 and it is x2 y2. minus 1 minus 1 का whole square plus 2 minus 2 whole square minus 1 plus 1 whole square plus 2 plus 2 whole square. From here 0 plus 4 square and it will equal to 4 units. Now we will calculate BD. How? Let for BD take it is as x1 y1 x2 y2. Then BD will equal to minus 3 minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square. From here minus 4 and square of 4 whole square plus 0 and square of minus 4 is 16, square root of 16 4 units. One more thing, students can write it as minus 4 also because square root cancel out, but distance cannot be negative, so it will be 4 units. So from here what we have concluded, all sides are equal, diagonal AC is equal to diagonal BD and it satisfied the properties of square. So what we will write? So it is a square. This is our 6th question, first part. Like this we can solve all parts, and this is very important type of question because mostly this type of question comes in exams.